Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. In today's video I thought I would give you all a little bit of a tour of the boys' room that I have nearly finished. It's not quite there, but I keep saying that I'm going to do a video of this, so I thought I'm just going to do it because it is 80% complete and I'm really excited to show you some of the things. So this is two of my three boys' bedroom. They share a room and they've got bunk beds, and the theme for the room I've gone for is like a Nordic sort of Scandinavian theme with the polar bears and lots of golds and yellows and greys. So yeah, I can't wait to show you because I'm really happy with how it's turning out. So I will show you everything in the room. I will just say before I start, please excuse any noises in the background. Peter is downstairs fitting a kitchen, so it is a little bit noisy, but this is the room as you come in. So I found these arrows on Amazon and I just love them. This is exactly the sort of thing that I wanted in the boys' room, this sort of decor. So they're a pack of 3, so I just put them up like this. Obviously you could put them any way you want, and I will link everything below because I can't remember prices of things, but I will find out and I will just link every product I can. So I'm really happy with them, love them. I also picked up some prints. These were either off Amazon or eBay, but again I will find out. And the frames I'm pretty sure were off Amazon, and they are plastic fronted because I have bought glass ones before in Toby's room and they smashed, and obviously it's really dangerous, so these are much better, and I've just stuck them on with command strips, just top and bottom, so that they are not going to wobble. So the top one says wild and free and hello, and then think happy, be happy, and this was a set of 3 prints, and this is in the colours that I really wanted, the greys and yellows, so I just thought they were perfect for here, and just some white frames. The wardrobe in the boys' room is honestly one of the best purchases we have in the house. It is huge. It holds all of the boys' clothes actually. Toby's, well, not all of them, I say that, we've got some drawers, but it holds a lot of clothes. It holds a lot of toys as well. This whole section here is just full of toys. It does need a good sort out though, so I won't show you, but it is this white gloss huge wardrobe. I think it might be called the Atlas range, but I'll find out. I'm pretty sure that they still do them. They do like drawers and everything to match as well, but yeah, we love this. It is really good for keeping everything in. It's got so much space inside and it's really nice and big. We've got this little box here that's just keeping all of Archie's sort of train tracks and things in, that he also uses as a bit of a bedside table, and that was from B&M. The rug, I actually want to change this rug. I don't want to keep it. I think we got this from Aldi actually. It was a really good price. I don't think they do many more, but I'll try and find a similar one. But yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to change this for something a little bit more, I don't know what the style is, I don't know what to call it, but maybe something with a bit more of a pattern on it and not these sort of shaggy rugs, because they're not the best when the kids are playing in here, especially if they've got like little toys and cars. They do tend to get stuck in all the fluffy bits of the rug. So I might be changing that soon. The bed is actually from IKEA. It's been painted quite a few times now. We've had it for years and years and it is really sturdy, really solid. And yeah, it's wood colour originally, and then I've painted it white and I've since painted it grey. But yeah, it's a really good one, really good size. The bedding I have just purchased from B&M. It was a pack of 2, so it came with this one and this one on Dill's bed up here, which I thought was really, really cute. And they weren't very expensive at all. They were about £16 I want to say, maybe not even that actually for these. And I have just picked up these pillows for them actually. I got a pack of 6, so they got 2 each, which seemed pretty good. They were really, really inexpensive, about £20 for 3, so I don't know how long they're going to last, but again I will link them below if you're looking for some cheap pillows. And then these wall stickers, just to show you these, I'm a little bit obsessed with these, I'm not going to lie. There is 2 different packs here, so all the black ones came in 1 pack. So you've got little polar bears, little arrows, little trees, little teepees and little mountains, really cute. And then I just put in some little gold triangles as well, just mixed in with them all. I'm pretty sure I got all these off Amazon actually, but I will, again, I'll double check. But these just make a really nice feature on the wall. I just keep having to tell them not to peel them off because obviously that is very tempting. I think Archie's already peeled one off actually. There's a bit of a gap there and there. So yeah, that's the only little problem with them. I have to just make sure that they don't keep picking at them. Honestly, I really apologise for any really loud noises in the background. Every time I speak, Peter starts doing something really noisy with the tools. But anyway, this little basket is really good. It holds absolutely loads and it is really thick. I have mentioned it before, I think in an Amazon haul. Yeah, it is really nice. Little chevron print on it. You can get different kinds. So that is a good little purchase because it just hides away loads of ugly plastic toys. Moving over to here, this is a newer edition. These drawers, this has got a lot of Archie's clothes in. This again is really, really good piece of furniture. So they go back quite far, as you can see, and it is in this nice grey colour. They actually came with 2 choices of handles as well. They had some with like little diamantes on them, but I went for the plain ones. But I have got like 6 spare handles now as well, so might try and find another use for them. So that again is from Argos. I will link it below if I can remember what it was called. I got this little lamp not long ago just from B&M, again to just match everything, little silvers and yellows. The boys have obviously got their Switches there, you know, their pride and joy is their Nintendo Switches. I also got Dilly a little Alexa for his birthday because he wanted to be able to play music in his room, and obviously their telly. Now the shelves above are a work in progress, but I'm really pleased with how they're coming along. I haven't finished them yet, but I've just been collecting little bits and making little things to go on here, and I'm really happy with how it's turning out. I got this little black plant from, I think it was from B&M. A lot of things that I have in my home are either from B&M or Home Bargains, but yeah, that was probably from B&M. The shelves themselves are actually IKEA ones. They were a sort of oak effect, but I painted them. The picture frame there, I'm not actually sure where that's from. It might be from Aldi. I think I bought a 2-pack of frames from Aldi. Now these little wooden letters, these are just from Hobbycraft. No, they're not. Well, you can get them from Hobbycraft, but I think I got these off Amazon. They're obviously the same. And I just painted them grey and then painted the bottoms of them this gold colour. So I did an A for Archie and a D for Dylan. I just thought it was a cute little extra because I was trying to find like nice pretty things to go on the shelf. So I've made a lot of the things. I got that star at the back from B&M. I made that little frame, so it was 2-pack of frames from Poundland, and I just got some sort of stag head stencils and painted it gold. This is really good. This is a little nightlight that I got from Aldi, and it changes colours. I'm going to have to turn it on. So you can just have it like that, or it does different colours like that. I think that's how you do it. So it can go through the different colours, so that's nice for the boys to have it on in the evening. And I got that at the back, which is just a candle holder. Yeah, this is just a candle holder, but I thought it was a cute little thing to have on their shelves, and I'm going to put in a battery candle in it, and that'll just be nice as well, just when it's night time, for it to make it nice and cozy. But that was just from B&M. On the top shelf, I just picked up that basket from Home Bargains, which I don't fully know what I'm going to put in there yet. But I love those wire baskets. I always think they're really, really nice. And moving along, that might look a little bit odd, but I'm actually making some pumpkins. So that's not finished, but it's going to be a little craft that I'm doing. I've got another of the stag frames that I made. They're really good little stencils. They're only a couple of pounds, so I will definitely link them below, because I just think it's a really quick bit of home decor and they're really good for autumn. The little green plant is from Shein. And then there is another light there that needs some batteries in, actually. A little star lamp that I got from Amazon. And I spotted this giraffe in B&M, and I thought that was a really nice little addition to their room. I thought it would go really nicely. At first I was going to spray it, but then when I put it in here I thought, no, I really like the gold, and that's sort of when I started going down the gold route of everything, all thanks to this little giraffe. And then there is a little bit of bunting there, which again is from Amazon. And I think I've pretty much included everything there. If there isn't anything that I've mentioned, I'll try and mention everything below. But if there is anything that I don't mention, then just drop me a message and ask me. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how it's turning out. Like I say, I've got a couple of other bits to do, but I think it's looking a little bit more grown up than it was now, but while still being quite nice and young for them. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you like it or not, or anything else that you think would look nice in here. I'm always open to suggestions. and I will see you again for my next video. Take care everyone, bye.